Why? What's up, everybody? I'm gonna make this one quick because not in a hurry, but I just want to make it quick because it's just gonna be a quick run. But I've got to run to the auto parts store. I'm kind of upset right now because I stripped a hex bolt on the bike, which is preventing me from getting a job done, and I really want to get it done because I haven't worked on the bike or ridden the bike all week. So out of frustration, I'm just you know, aggravated or whatever. But I'm gonna see if I can make this quick. Hopefully it's not, you know, I don't think it's that big of a deal. I feel like they should have something or can point me in the right direction. So that's all I'm really hoping for. So make this quick. Enjoy the ride. God, that's just so annoying, man. Stripping that bolt, man. I was so ready to do it. I'm gonna try to record as much as I can and be doing the job. I'm actually installing a USB, so I've got to get that last bolt off so I can get to the battery, so I can make sure the leads are right, and then we'll be good to go. But that bolt had to strip, and it was literally the last bolt. It's crazy, golly, but it's all right. We'll get the bolt out, get the job done, and it's gonna be awesome. So we'll see. Somebody's blowing that Pacquiao. Okay. What the heck? Go ahead, bruh. Go. What the heck? I'm gonna stop letting it go because it's gonna piss me off. That's all. Up to whoever's smoking that pack. Oh god dang, it's the whole fair out here. Ugh. There's always like a slew of people here. I mean, I'm always part of that slew, but still, always a slew. I'm gonna have to take my helmet off because I'm gonna have to talk to these guys. So check you guys hopefully if I get this part. Alright, and so that mission was epically dead. They said I would need a tap or something like that, or get like a set of pliers and just try to wrench it out, which I've seen on the internet, so it's not like he's lying or anything, but they didn't have what I was looking for. So kind of sucks to be an auto parts store and not have stuff for auto parts, but whatever. But anyway, on to Home Depot to figure out another way to do this. Hopefully they have what I need, and more than likely they will. A fire or a cookout? You never really can tell. What happened to my musica? What happened to my tunes, B? Alright, let's make this quick. I don't like leaving my bike out in public like that. Home Depot, got a few options. It sounds like the same stuff that they were trying to get me at, at Advanced Auto, but I mean, I don't know, I felt better about it getting it from Home Depot because I had a few more options. But oh well, we got a few options to try. We're gonna see if those work. If they don't, I'll come back, return this stuff, get my money back, and but I believe it'll work. I trust the guy. He wasn't even an employee, just, you know, a handyman. So, oh shit. Oh, that's embarrassing. Stolly. How did I even do that? I just let the clutch out. Just threw that bitch out. Like, yo. Go ahead, bro. Oh man, I'm hitting this dang Oh, all right, so I made it home. Hopefully we can get this done and get it working. So today's task is to remove this bolt that I stripped, which is completely my bad. This one here. So I can get to the battery, so I can run this MIC tuning USB port to the bike and install this Quadlock wireless charging head that I bought. So why? All right, so if you've been following along, I'm trying to run this USB through the bike down to the battery, but there's one bolt that's keeping me from getting to the battery. So that's been stripped, and it's probably the tightest bolt I've ever come across in my life. So I've been to the 3 different hardware stores. I'm going back again right now. I'm pretty frustrated with the whole process, honestly. You know, I just want to be done with it, or at least get to actually doing the job. Like, these bolts have been just standing in my way. So I'm gonna run to the store this last time, get what I need, come back, and hope for the best. Okay, so bringing you up to speed on what I've been doing. I went and got this from the auto parts store to try and get that bolt out. Didn't work, so we moved on to just seeing if we could work around the issue. So this is what was supposed to go onto the battery that I couldn't get to. But after looking at it and realizing that something was already run to the battery and it just wasn't connected to anything, so I ended up taking the wires that were attached to the USB and working it through. So from here, so here's the USB, but it has to run all the way up to the handlebars, which is up there. So I mean, at this point I don't have to take that bolt out. That wouldn't come off, this one right here. But in order for it to work the right way, I have to take it off. So I'm kind of in a tough spot right now. But I mean, the USB works, so that's good. But I want it to work the way it's supposed to work. But this is the goal, is to get the Quadlock head installed by the end of the day. So that's the goal at hand. This is the look of despair. I'm still struggling to get this bolt out. I've literally tried, I mean, I feel like I've tried just about everything. I just asked one of my neighbors what to do. He said, you gotta drill it out. And I'm just like, I'm trying. Like, it's not coming out. Like, it's not drilling anymore. Like, the hole won't get any deeper. Like, I don't know, maybe I need harder bits to get down into that metal. Maybe that's the case, but it's just not, it's not cutting. It's not doing anything. So I guess I'm gonna keep trying, or I don't know, or just, I don't want to give up, because I feel like it's right on the cusp of being unloosened or whatever, but I'm running out of options right now. All right, this is a status update. I had to make another store run, get some titanium drill bits, because those other ones weren't working, and probably the biggest screwdriver that I've seen in my life. So one of these is going back to the store. So let's see which one works and which one doesn't. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We out here. Let's go. Get this bolt out of here. Let's go. Oh, I'm taking this back. The bolt is out. Let's go. Finally got that thing out. Jeez, it took literally all day and 3 store runs to get it out. But I finally got it out. Let me see if I can show you what it looks like. Oops, that's the good one. Had to go all the way through. Dremel, bolt, and everything. Just to get this little tiny little bolt out. But I got it.